lip gloss. My lip gloss. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show! I don't know why I always do that. We are officially filming. It's the first time that we're filming since Jenny's move-in date. Oh my god. Welcome. Welcome, bitch.
I'm so happy to be here.
We're thankful, we're joyful, we're happy, we're dappy. Yeah, so we just thought we would do a metal-inspired makeup and just get creative and play with colors and chat about the move and like just give you guys an update of everything. So I've got this Sonata Arctica shirt right here.
And I have on
beautiful, gorgeous. We're serving cool tones, we're serving blues,
we're serving
and greens,
blue, we're serving green, we're serving
northern lights.
Blue.
And those aren't colors that you normally see in a lot of makeup looks. So we were a little wary about doing this color scheme. I'm a sweating ball.
Is the AC?
Yeah, I don't know why, but I need to go do it.
What's up, you guys? I'm really loving it here. I can walk to Alice's, although we're not doing a lot of walking because it's been so hot out. And we're
Do you want some gloss? Because our lips are looking kind of dry.
Do you have a clear gloss?
Mm-hmm. So I'm, in the spirit of what we're doing here today, I'm going to use this.
Fine, I'm going to use this one.
Just to hydrate. I always like to put on something hydrating while I'm doing my makeup just to prepare for the liquid lips. So this is Fan Club by Atomic Makeup. Stop it.
I can't.
What's that one? I can't stop it.
I can't stop.
This one's called Nightclub. Oh, that's cute.
No, I was gonna say I can't
Ooh.
even, but I also can't stop. Atomic Makeup has the best smelling lipsticks that I've ever smelled in my entire smell.
Blue lip gloss isn't for everybody. It's making me look like a little cold right now. That's really cute.
Xenon is here, honey.
Pretty much just blues and greens for this, which yeah, you don't see a lot of in makeup. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know where to begin with this.
This lipstick is throwing me off.
Yeah, I look like I'm getting hypothermia. I want to do a cut crease. Shut up, bitch. Shut. I want to do a cut crease.
Go right ahead. Where's your makeup?
I am. Where's my makeup?
Where's the makeup?
It's everywhere.
I don't see it. I'm not seeing any makeup here.
Anyway, so you know what we should really be talking about, Jenny?
What is that?
How was the move?
It was great.
Do you need to vent? This is a safe place. I know moving is the worst.
It was a lot less stressful than the 2 years of remodeling of the other property that we were staying at. Right now, I'm still unpacking everything and setting up my makeup space and setting up like all of my other shit. But little by little, every day, it's really becoming home.
Yay! I'm so glad.
Still stalling on that eyeshadow process. Like, I don't even know, bitch. Okay, we're gonna start. So how has your life changed, honestly, since I got here?
Well,
Tell me how revolutionary it has been. You're supposed to say that it's great.
yeah, no, it's amazing, and it's only gonna get more amazing. It's only gonna get more awesome.
Am I giving you Swamp Princess, or
Yeah.
I made a mistake, Princess?
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just blending the same one shadow, and I can't stop.
I think I need more green, bitch. Which green did I use? Shit. There's a lot of palettes down here.
You know, these colors are great with actual, like, brown eyes. They really make brown pop, like the blues and the greens and the purples.
I don't have brown
And
eyes.
we're both wearing fucking contacts right now, so it's perfect. I needed to order some more clear ones because...
From Desio?
Story time. No, just regular plain old clear ones like AccuView because I like to just rock my natural brown eyes sometimes. I was patting myself on the back the other day. I'm like, bitch, I'm so great. I take my contacts out every single night, even if I'm shit-faced blackout drunk. And for years, I've never not done that. I haven't fallen asleep in my contacts. Like, I have been so good with it. But wouldn't you know it, I get shit-faced drunk, whatever. And the next day, I'm like, oh, at least I took my contacts out. But I go and I look and it's ripped in half. Like, I accidentally like closed the case like on the lens and it just destroyed it, and that was a brand new pair.
I mean, it's happened to me before where I have like this brand new pair and it's like, god damn, these feel really, really good. They feel so fresh.
Yeah.
And then it's like, you didn't put enough in a contact solution in there, and like, hello, they're very crunchy, and like,
if they get ripped, you're fucked. But if they just get dry, I rehydrate mine all the time.
you leave them in the case for a long time.
No. I take them and I put it directly into my vagina.
Oh. You know, I've been putting them in my butthole. I think that's my issue. That's why my eyes are naturally brown. Good one, right? Y'all, give me a high five for that one. Poop joke for y'all. Okay.
I still only have one eyeshadow color on my face right now. I think I'm gonna.
I don't know where to go from
I think
here.
I need to cut the crease. I think I need to stop being a little pussy and just cut the crease. So I'm gonna grab my foundation.
I've never actually done a cut crease, and I think I might be too scared to try. Okay, we can't.
We can though. We can't get demonetized for just singing. I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. And she. I'm stopping. This is the worst cut crease I've ever done in my entire life, but I'm stopping. And I'm stopping. Okay?
Has she sobbed? No, that is that green. That is that green. Don't make me tell you a third time.
Probably didn't need to put that concealer down for what I'm doing right now. Don't tell me how to live my life, bitch.
Nobody's talking to you. You're just talking to yourself. I look like I chose Shrek the movie. Shrek 3. Instead of this t-shirt right now, because this is just straight up turning, this is just 100% green and yellow.
Is it me or like if the blue, like where did the blue go?
Seriously, like where's the blue? It's almost like when you mix blue and green together, it just turns green. Isn't that crazy?
This is a horrible disaster.
No, this is great. We're looking green and we're looking blue.
I mean, yeah, no, I'm not upset.
Let's take a wine break. I'm sure everything will look better once we
I hear you, bitch. I agree. Yeah, you guys will be right back. I'm obsessed with your look. Like, it's really, really awesome.
Thank you for validating my existence. I do struggle with
Bitch,
my
I see
makeup,
you.
and
I see you.
and I'm like, Alice is so great. And now I know that she's actually not. And it really makes me feel better.
There is a fucking wrinkle in the middle of my forehead, and that ColourPop concealer is accentuating it, and I don't appreciate it. I don't think I do. I think I hate it.
You said that you loved
I think I
it,
hate
and now
it.
you hate it.
Dude, there's a fucking crater in the middle of my
like
forehead.
microscopic. I can barely see it. You still look flawless. You're fine.
Go on. Do you have a minute to tell me how amazing I am?
One of my least, in fact, it is my least favorite step is curling my eyelashes and putting on mascara.
Really?
I guess also putting on a lash when you have really long nails. That's
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of doing anything with my lashes, to be honest.
lashes are the worst.
Yeah, like right now the lash glue is fucking dry, so I have to do this. It's the most finicky fucking thing.
Yeah, and then when it's time to remove some really dried lash glue on your lashes, and it's like, I took this off 3 days ago. Why is this clump still there?
Why are you still here? Who invented false eyelashes? Should they get an award, or should they be like stoned in the middle of town? Have stones thrown at them publicly. You're having a crisis. Why are you using black lash glue?
Who's having a crisis, bitch? I'm serving you fucking Teenage Ninja Turtles. Realness! Did you hear me? Ness!
I feel so much better. I feel so much better with a lash on. This bitch. This bitch is who I'm talking about. This bitch.
Oh, I thought you meant like some other bitch. I feel like I could like actually fan an entire village with these things.
You could save an entire village with those.
A village is on fire and I just blink a couple of times.
You could cure world hunger with those lashes, bitch.
I cured cancer the other day, believe it or not.
You do have a little bit of, I'm not sure how you got fallout or something under your chin. Hello, honey. It smells like pool toys. Right?
That has a smell that it's
childhood.
Very, like you're going to the community pool.
I think it's because it's plastic.
You got your floaties.
Why does? What is that? Yeah, I don't know what it is, and
It smells like clean chlorine.
that's probably not very good to put on your face, but we're gonna do it anyway. So, what color are you thinking? I'm gonna just go with like the a baby, like
this.
Yeah. I love blush, but really, like you've got 2 places to put it, maybe 3 sometimes. Your cheeks, and then maybe a little bit on your nose, like a little.
I think I used too much.
No, you look great.
A little too much blush and like, hey, you
What
look
color
like
highlight are we thinking?
Ronald the McDonald. Ronald
the McDonald.
Ronald.
What?
The clown from McDonald's is what
Ronald the McDonald.
Ronald the clown from McDonald's is what I personally was trying to say. I mean, like,
Ronald the McDonald. What lip color are you thinking?
something nude.
There's no nude involved in this.
Yeah, I know, but the eyes are the shirt.
Jenny,
okay,
I have-
bitch? The eyes are the shirt.
I have the perfect color for you. I think maybe gray would be cute with mine. Stop it! Who's in charge here? I need to speak to the manager.
My eyes are serving Shrek.
My teeth are serving lip gloss. So that concludes our Metal Inspired Makeup Monday Madness. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what you think of the looks in the comments down below. And hopefully you guys are super excited about
Me living here!
Yeah.
And more Alice and Jenny show episodes.
More Alice and Jenny show is coming. It's coming
Right to you.
Yeah, and if you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see, we would absolutely love to hear. Yeah, hit us up in the comments. Just don't be a dick about it. You know.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next one. Bye. That is cute. That is cute. Hey guys, I'm Alice.
How are we doing this?
Hey guys, I'm Alice.
Alice, come on.
I'm splitting like a whore in church.
That's
That's teal.
Yeah, I know. And you said that looked great. Okay?
Look, I'm gonna need you to shut the fuck up because the corner of my eyeshadow looks like a square, and I need to fix that. Okay?
Oh wow, she needs silence. We should all be really quiet.
I am going to put my swatch fingers on your face right now.
Hi.
It does look like you blew a leprechaun. Your upper lip is green. Mine is too, and I'm here for it. Hello, bitch.
I'm shook right now.
I love you.
Okay. I love you too.
That's my like.
You
Shut the
have
fuck
hair.
up.
Can you believe how like
You have shit on your teeth.
you have hair in your lipstick?
Alright, so we're gonna go kill each other off camera, and hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the last time you'll ever see her because she's dead.